Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a low-budget used car in Pakistan that is fuel-efficient, easy to maintain, and perfect for daily city driving, then this video is for you. Today, I am showing you a Suzuki Alto VXR 2003 for sale in Pakistan. This car runs on CNG and petrol, and the AC system is installed. If you want a cheap family car, a budget daily driver, or a starter car, watch this video till the end for full details and final price. Exterior condition. Let's start with the exterior of the car. The overall body condition is fair for a 2003 model. There are touch-ups on about 50% of the body, which is normal for a car of this age. The paint looks decent, and the panels are aligned properly. There are no major dents. The lights and indicators are working fine. If you are searching for a budget used car in Pakistan and you care more about engine condition than fresh paint, this car is a practical option. Interior condition. Now let's move inside. The interior is simple and usable for daily driving. The seats are in fair condition. The dashboard and trims are okay for a car of this age. All basic controls are working. The driving position is easy and comfortable. This car is suitable for office use, ride within the city, and small family travel. If you need a cheap small car for city traffic, this Alto is easy to drive and easy to park. Engine, CNG and performance. Now let's talk about the most important part, the engine. The engine condition is good and reliable. The car runs on CNG and petrol, so you can switch according to availability and cost. This helps save fuel money for daily commuting. The engine starts smoothly and runs without unusual noise. The pickup is decent for city use. The suspension is okay and comfortable for daily roads. Gear shifting is smooth, and the clutch is light. Overall, the car gives a smooth drive for daily use. AC, comfort and practicality. The AC setup is installed, but the AC is currently not working. You can get the AC gas filled or serviced if needed. Even without AC, the car is usable for daily short drives. The heater works fine. This car is practical for buyers who want a low-price car and can later spend a little on AC service if required. Fuel average and maintenance. Fuel average on CNG is economical, which is great for daily city travel. On petrol, the average is also reasonable for a small engine car. The maintenance cost is low, and spare parts are easily available in the local market. Any local mechanic can repair this car. This is why Alto is considered one of the best low-maintenance cars in Pakistan. If you want a cheap car to run, this is a good option. Documents and final details. The documents are complete and clear. The car is ready for transfer. This is a budget home-used car suitable for someone who wants a cheap daily driver. You can use this car for office travel, market visits, and short family trips. There is no major work required for daily driving. Final price and closing. The demand is PKR 630,000, which is reasonable for this model and condition. If you are looking for a used Suzuki Alto in Pakistan under budget, this deal is worth considering. For more details and contact information, check the description. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with friends who are searching for a low-budget car in Pakistan. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Urgent sale Daihatsu Cuore 2003 own engine inside original low-budget hatchback. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am presenting a Daihatsu Cuore 2003 model for urgent sale. This car is a small and economical hatchback that is perfect for daily city use. If you are looking for a budget-friendly car with low running cost and easy maintenance, this Cuore is a good option for you. Let's start with the exterior condition. The outside of the car has been showered, which means the paint has been refreshed. The car looks neat and presentable on the road. There are no major dents or serious accident marks. The body panels are aligned properly, and the overall appearance is decent for its model year. The headlights, taillights, and mirrors are in working condition. For a 2003 model, the exterior condition is acceptable and looks clean after the paint work. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The car has its own original engine installed. The engine runs smoothly and starts easily. There is no unusual noise from the engine, and the pickup is smooth for city driving. This car is known for being economical and reliable for daily use. The engine temperature remains normal in traffic, and the cooling system works properly. The maintenance cost of this car is low, and spare parts are easily available in the market, which makes it a good choice for people on a budget. The fuel average of this Daihatsu Cuore is very good, especially for city driving. It is an economical car that helps you save money on petrol. The car is light in weight, so it is easy to drive in traffic and easy to park in small spaces. This makes it perfect for crowded city areas and narrow streets. The steering is light, and the car is easy to handle for new drivers as well. Talking about the suspension and ride comfort, the suspension is in decent condition and absorbs road bumps reasonably well. The ride is comfortable for daily use. The brakes are working properly and provide safe stopping power. The car feels stable at normal city speeds. For daily commute and short trips, this Cuore is a practical choice. Now let's move to the interior condition. The inside of the car is original and well maintained according to its age. The seats are in decent condition, and the dashboard is clean. All meters and switches are working properly. The cabin is simple and practical, which makes it easy to use for daily driving. The AC works fine and provides cooling for city driving, which is very important in hot weather. The interior condition shows that the car has been taken care of. This car is currently on book by a female owner. The documents are clear, and all dues are clear. This is an important point for buyers because it saves time and extra cost. The registration is 2003, and the documents are complete. Transfer will be easy for the new owner. The car is ready to be transferred without any issues. This Daihatsu Cuore 2003 is available for urgent sale. The final demand is $470. The price is final. Serious buyers only, please. No time waste. If you are looking for a low-budget, economical, and reliable car for daily city use, this Cuore is a good option for you. Overall, this Daihatsu Cuore is a simple, economical, and practical hatchback. It offers good fuel average, low maintenance cost, and easy driving in city traffic. The engine is original, the interior is original, the outside has been freshly painted, and the documents and dues are clear. If you want a small car for daily use or as a first car, this Daihatsu Cuore 2003 is worth considering. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and urgent sale deals, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Looking for a budget automatic Toyota? This Toyota Corolla GL might be the perfect buy and drive option for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a budget automatic car, a classic Toyota sedan, or a reliable Japanese car for daily use, then today's video is going to be very useful for you. In this video, I'm showing you a Toyota Corolla GL, 1990 model, available for sale in neat and clean condition, ready to drive. This car is perfect for people who want a comfortable family car, smooth automatic transmission, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Let's start with the basic details. This is a Toyota Corolla GL 1990 model, equipped with a Toyota 5A engine and automatic transmission. The engine is original Toyota, well maintained, and known for its durability, fuel efficiency, and smooth performance. If you know Toyota engines, you already know that the 5A engine is famous for long life and low maintenance. The automatic transmission is working perfectly, making this car ideal for city driving, traffic conditions, and daily office use. If you're tired of manual cars and heavy traffic, this automatic Corolla can be a very comfortable option. Now let's talk about the condition of the car. The car has new dent and paint on the outside, giving it a fresh and clean look. The inside is seal-to-seal genuine, which means the interior is original and well preserved. Seats, dashboard, panels, and trims are neat, clean, and properly maintained. This car truly gives a clean Japanese interior feel, which is rare in cars of this age. The car is fitted with Kabuli alloy rims and tires, which not only enhance the look of the car but also improve road grip and driving stability. The tires are in good condition, making it a buy and drive vehicle with no immediate expense required. One of the special features of this Toyota Corolla GL is the factory AC with cool box. The air conditioning is working, providing comfortable cooling, which is very important for daily driving, especially in hot weather. The factory cool box is a nice bonus feature that adds to the premium feel of this classic sedan. Fuel options are also flexible. The car is running on petrol and LPG, giving you better fuel economy and control over fuel costs. This makes it a good option for people searching for low-cost running cars in Pakistan. In terms of driving, this car offers a smooth, comfortable, and stable drive. The suspension is soft, road grip is good, and the overall drive quality is exactly what you expect from a Toyota sedan. Whether you are driving within the city or on longer routes, this car delivers a relaxed driving experience. Now let's talk about who this car is ideal for. This Toyota Corolla GL is perfect for people looking for a budget automatic car, buyers searching for a used Japanese sedan, families who want a comfortable and spacious car, office users who need a reliable daily driver, anyone who wants a classic Toyota with low maintenance. If you are searching on YouTube or Google for Toyota Corolla for sale, Toyota Corolla GL automatic, budget automatic cars in Pakistan, old model Toyota cars, used Japanese cars Pakistan, then this video is exactly what you need to watch. Now let's come to the price and location. The asking price is 7.50 lakh PKR, which is very reasonable considering the condition, automatic transmission, original engine, and clean interior. Finding a Toyota Corolla automatic in this condition at this price is not easy in today's market. Round pushpin location. The car is located near Aladdin Park, making it convenient for inspection and test drive. This is a neat and clean, just buy and drive car, with no major work required. Serious buyers are welcome to inspect the car personally and judge the condition themselves. Before ending the video, I want to say one thing clearly. If you are looking for a solid, reliable, comfortable, and budget-friendly automatic car, this Toyota Corolla GL should definitely be on your list. White right pointing backhand index for more details, price discussion, or inspection, please contact inbox. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up sign like the video. Repeat button share it with friends who are looking for cars. Bell subscribe to the channel. We regularly upload videos on used cars for sale, budget cars, automatic cars, Japanese vehicles, and urgent sale deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Contact inbox for more information.